Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're climbing aboard a machine that makes ordinary RVs look like they forgot to finish growing. Imagine rolling deep into the wilderness in a vehicle so massive, so luxurious, and so outrageously capable that even seasoned overlanders stop and stare. Meet the EarthRoamer HD, a rolling mansion built for people who think camping should include marble countertops, a queen-size bed, and enough resources to disappear into the backcountry longer than some politicians disappear after election promises. It is one of the most extreme expedition vehicles ever created, blending heavy-duty truck engineering with luxury, living on a scale few vehicles can match. The EarthRoamer story began in the United States, where a growing number of adventure travelers wanted something more capable than a traditional motorhome. Standard RVs offered comfort, but many struggled when roads ended and rough terrain began. EarthRoamer saw an opportunity to create expedition vehicles capable of reaching remote destinations while still providing genuine luxury. Over the years, the company developed a reputation for building some of the most sophisticated overlanding machines available, and the HD became one of its most ambitious projects. The HD was designed for travelers who refused to compromise. Wealthy adventurers, long-distance explorers, photographers, filmmakers, and outdoor enthusiasts wanted a vehicle that could function independently for extended periods. Rather than relying on campgrounds and hookups, they sought complete freedom. EarthRoamer answered with a vehicle engineered around self-sufficiency, combining huge storage capacities, advanced energy systems, and off-road capability rarely seen in luxury RVs. Production numbers have always remained limited because every EarthRoamer is built with extraordinary attention to detail. These vehicles are effectively handcrafted machines requiring extensive labor and customization. That exclusivity helped establish the HD as one of the most desirable expedition vehicles on the market. While many RVs depreciate rapidly, EarthRoamers often maintain strong values due to their rarity and reputation. Underneath its luxurious living quarters sits a serious commercial-grade platform. Power comes from a 7-liter Power-Stroke V8 diesel engine, producing 330 horsepower and an impressive 725 pounds FT. That output is routed through Ford's heavy-duty torque-shift 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering the low-speed pulling power necessary for hauling a vehicle of this size through challenging terrain. Dimensionally, the HD is enormous. Overall length reaches approximately 35 feet, 11 meters, while width measures 9 feet, 3 meters. Height rises to around 13 feet, 4 meters, creating an imposing presence on any road. Despite these substantial dimensions, EarthRoamer engineered the vehicle specifically for off-road travel. Ground clearance measures 12 inches, 30 centimeters, allowing it to clear obstacles that would stop conventional motorhomes almost immediately. The 4-wheel drive system is supported by impressive geometry. Approach angle stands at 46 degrees, departure angle reaches 23 degrees, and breakover angle measures 12 degrees. These figures may not sound exciting at first glance, but experienced off-roaders understand how valuable they become when navigating steep climbs, rocky trails, and uneven terrain. Massive 46-inch Michelin XVL tires provide additional traction and durability, helping the vehicle maintain progress in conditions that would challenge much smaller rigs. The suspension system further enhances capability. A rear air suspension setup works alongside Fox shock absorbers to improve ride quality and control. Hydraulic leveling technology allows the vehicle to establish a stable campsite on uneven ground without requiring extensive setup procedures. Stepping inside the EarthRoamer HD reveals the philosophy behind the project: absolute independence without sacrificing comfort. Many expedition vehicles feel like military equipment with a mattress thrown inside. The HD takes the opposite approach. EarthRoamer wanted travelers to enjoy the wilderness without giving up the conveniences of home. The cabin features beautifully handcrafted alder cabinetry, elegant wooden flooring, and polished marble countertops that would not look out of place in an upscale residence. A queen-size bed provides genuine sleeping comfort, while the spacious layout avoids the cramped feeling common in many RVs. The full bathroom includes a separate shower, along with a washer and dryer, allowing occupants to remain self-sufficient for extended periods. In-floor radiant heating keeps the interior comfortable during winter adventures, while a Bose surround sound system transforms the living area into a mobile entertainment lounge. Self-sufficiency is where the EarthRoamer HD truly separates itself from competitors. A 2100-watt solar charging system works alongside a massive 20 kWh ion battery bank, reducing dependence on external power sources. A TO-driven hydraulic generator provides additional energy production when necessary. Fuel capacity reaches an impressive 115 gallons, 435 liters, while fresh water storage totals approximately 250 gallons, 946 liters. Those numbers allow travelers to spend extended periods far from civilization. When compared with conventional luxury motorhomes, the HD occupies a unique position. Traditional Class A RVs often provide similar living space, but lack serious off-road capability. Smaller overlanding rigs may tackle difficult terrain, yet cannot match the EarthRoamer's residential comfort. For buyers seeking ultimate freedom, the HD represents more than transportation. It serves as a complete mobile lifestyle platform capable of crossing continents while maintaining hotel-level comfort. And now we arrive at the topic everyone secretly waits for: money. When new, an EarthRoamer HD carried a price tag of approximately $1,700,000. Adjusted to modern values, that still places it firmly in the ultra-luxury category. Auction appearances remain relatively rare because owners tend to keep them for years. Values vary significantly depending on specifications and condition, but well-maintained examples frequently command seven-figure prices in the collector and expedition vehicle markets. The rarity, craftsmanship, and capability help support those extraordinary numbers. Looking back, the EarthRoamer HD deserves praise for pushing the boundaries of what an expedition vehicle can be. It combines brute strength, sophisticated engineering, and genuine luxury in a way few manufacturers have ever attempted. Even today, it remains one of the most impressive self-contained exploration vehicles ever produced.